All right. Good morning, everyone. Um, my name is Ike Moore, as you all know, and for the new ones that are here. All right. This is a tutorial, a brief tutorial on how to get started on Memefi testnet. That is going to end at the end of this month, and this is just a gamified ecosystem. It is very simple. You have nothing much to do. All you just have to do is to install your Mrs. browser, this one that I have my pointer direction on. Right, the third app from the top, this Mrs. browser, MISES. All right, when you install Mrs. browser, it comes like this. It has um, wallet extensions enabled on it, just like you have on your PC. So you have nothing to worry. You could actually work with your phone. You could actually do this testnet with your phone. All right, going straight to the point. The next thing you would need would be faucets. We call that fake tokens. These are fake cryptocurrencies or test cryptocurrencies that we use in testing the network. Right, this is Ethereum, Sepula. This is the network we'll be using. For those of us that are new, I think it is better you use a faucet. Faucet is a channel where you could, or a website where you could uh, claim little amount of fake tokens. I'll be using the word fake tokens so you could understand me, for test purposes only. So there are websites you could go to. We have Alchemy, but for you to use Alchemy, you must have at least $5 worth of Ethereum on your account. I think the website should be Alchemy. Yeah, this is the website. I think let's just visit that for verification purposes. So if you already have Ethereum on your wallet or in your wallet, you could come right here to claim 0.5 Sepula ETH every single day, right? As it's stated here, to prevent bot and abuse, this faucet requires a minimum mainnet balance of 0.001 Ethereum on the wallet. That's around $5 worth of um Ethereum on your wallet. So for you to be able to use this, then there is another option. The other option is this. All right, the other option is getting buying this Sepula ETH. You could buy $1 worth, because I just bought $3 worth of Sepula ETH right here. You could see the transaction on the top, which is 0.001 ETH Arbitrum to Sepula. This is the link. I'll drop the links on the um under this video for you to understand, right, and go through it. So you could either buy $1 worth of uh, Arbitrum ETH. It's very simple. You could go to your centralized exchanges to get one, right? I think this should be $1 worth of I think 0.005 is $1 worth. So $1 worth gives you approximately 16. That's if I'm not mistaken, depending on the price of Ethereum at the moment, right? So it's, to me, I feel the best thing to do is to use this testnet bridge. And for those that are actually farming airdrops, you utilizing this testnet bridge gives you an edge, because you are using a an app powered by layer 0. So you can be positioning yourself for an airdrop, but this is not a criteria, not the only criteria you should bridge and all that. Anyway, that's not the purpose of this video. All right, you could I think the best thing to do is to buy at least $1 or $2 worth of Sepiola Eat, which would be helpful for the in-game activities on your Memefi account. Now let's go straight to the Memefi app. Okay, I have to reload this so you could see what is going on. This is my account. I think I started out on this account some 4 or 5 days ago. All right, so yeah, I didn't actually take it more seriously, but after making my research, I had to. Okay, this is what you do. When you come into your account, it will look like this. Everywhere will be zero, zero, everything, and you start from level one. So the first thing you're meant to do is to come to this place and click on here. You have to top up your power up and get your levels to the highest that you could at this point. So click on top up power, because this is your what you use for your in-game stuffs. I think depending on the amount of eats that you have, yeah, depending on the amount of eat that you have. So let's try topping up to 1 million power. Okay, my max strength is 800k, as you could see here, so I can't use this 1 million. Let me just use the 800k. Let's use the max. Yeah, I'm in level 4, so the highest I could top up is 800k, so I think I would just continue. And the more you top up, hold on please, let me explain. Why are we topping up this? Because it gives you a higher um Memefi token whenever you're playing. You could see here your daily return on investment on these power ups are actually 17,100 Memefi tokens, right? That's your daily ROI from fighting, right? So I think that explains it all, right? So I'll just go ahead and top up. Now you see the reason why you should have Ethereum on your wallet. That's the fake Ethereum, right? The price is 2 ETH, right? And yeah, I just have to confirm that. Okay, it's going to open my MetaMask automatically. That's how it works on the Macy's browser. Okay, so you see the transaction is 2.6 ETH. I would have to confirm that and wait for it to load. Uh, okay, while we'll be waiting, okay, I think that has gone through. Yeah, just give it some time. All right, yeah, we are topped up. We've topped up. You can actually view this on your ether scan. That's the test ether scan. All right, so go back to map and play a game. The game is very simple. You don't actually have to do anything. Literally, you don't have to do anything. So we would have to come to this mission tab, click on the mission. Okay, you could see the mission ends up in 18 hours. Is every day. You just have to attack your boss. As you could see right here, it said get 17,000 Memefi for attacking boss. So the more I every day I engage, the more I get Memefi tokens. Now these are the bosses that are here. This is the first one. Look at the strength, 16,800 is mine. The boss strength is 100, very poor. So I have 99 chances of winning, right? Uh, this is it, 16.9k Memefi reward. So yeah, I have 16,800 power to spend. So I think I would go for the highest because there are actually 3 bosses here. You see, and each boss has their own strength. Okay, I'll be going for this guy because he has the highest Memefi token reward, and I have 98 chance to win. So yeah, I think I'll go with that. So I would attack him. So now they are spending this stuff from my power wallet. All right, so I have to confirm that. Now watch carefully how the game does. You literally have nothing to do. You just have to watch the game play. All right. You don't have to tap anything. Just have to watch the gameplay. It's really funny though, but it's quite amazing watching. Right. So and mind you, you should always upgrade your power up each day before you fight the boss. Right now I've won. You see how crazy it is. This is really crazy actually. Right. So this is it. The battle is won. uh Collected 100 XP, right, and 17,100 Memefi tokens. Now this reward will be distributed every 24 hours, right? As you could read, just read up. Then I think that would be all. Just have to click back to map, and that's all. You're done for the day. You are literally done for the day. If you have enough Ethereum or fake Ethereum, you could just come to this portion and buy more keys, upgrade more keys. Now I want to get on 50 keys for 10 ETH. Upgrade. I think there are reasons for this, because the more you upgrade your levels, the more you upgrade your keys, the more um Ethereum, the more Memefi tokens you're gaining for yourself. Now, mind you, these people has Memefi ecosystem has a lot of rewards for those who actually um, do these activities. They are actually rewards that are strategically posed for those who actually involve in these games. All right, so yeah, let's wait for that to confirm. All right, I've gotten 50 keys. I just have to upgrade my level. Back to profile. All right, now I have 80 keys already. I have 80 keys, and the fees end is $955. All right, so this is just basically what you need to do, right? This is basically all you need to do, and explore the whole project to understand how everything works, right? You could also actually come here to top up your power also. I think I did not actually start this game very well, very early, so I think yeah, that would be that for now. If there is more, I would not hesitate to post that. So the links that you'll be needing will be under this video, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.